So accounts for 27th question. Mehta and Menon were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:3. They decided to dissolve their partnership firm on 31st March 2016, and on that date the books showed the following ledger account as follows: sundry creditors, profit and loss, debit balance, cash in hand, bank loan, BP, sundry assets and capital account. So first you have to make the balance sheet in this way. That is why you just came to know that it has been matched up or no, not. Total of balance sheet means total of asset liabilities, they both should be equal. So just check it up. It has been matched after making the balance sheet. Put the item of asset side and liability side in their respective, and then first of all you have to make the realization account. You have to transfer creditors and then bank loan, then BP to the credit side, and then the sundry assets, that is on the debit side. Likewise to sundry assets by creditors, by BP, by bank loan, in this way. Suppose bank overdraft is to be given in the question. In this question, then you have to transfer the bank overdraft on the credit side as you are transferring the bank loan account. Now the additional information: BP failing due to on 31st March 2016 were retired on the date of dissolution of the firm at a rebate of 6% per annum. And for that you have to calculate the rebate on BP. That is the amount of BP that is given in the question of 5,000. Then 5,000 the calculation will be, so that is to be calculated in this way, that 5,000 into 600 into 2 months are there, because it is April and then May. So on 31st May the payment has been done, so 2 months are there. So there is a rebate of 2 months, that is of 50 rupees. So 5,000 will be 50 rupees will be deducted from the 5,000, and that is the 50 rupees is the amount of rebate which is to be given to the for BP. So that is why when you are showing to bank account you have to show BP as 4950. Now the next thing, the bankers accepted the furniture including in the sundry assets having a book value of rupees 18,000 in full settlement of the loan given by them. So the bankers loan is given in the question, that is 20,000, that has been settled out with the assets and having a book value of 18,000. So 18,000 has the assets of 18,000 has been settled out for the bank loan. That has been given for the settlement to the bank loan. So out of the total sundry assets that has been given in the question, that is 1,98,000. Out of that only 18,000 furniture has been given to the for the bankers loan for the settlement of loan. So 18,000 furniture of 18,000 has been given for the bankers loan. When the liabilities has been settled out with the asset, then there will be no entry in the realization account for this. Now the remaining assets were sold for rupees 1,50,000. Whatever assets are remaining, out of 1,98,000, 18,000 furniture has been given. So assets remained of 1,80,000, and that the realized value is 1,50,000. So you have to show 1,50,000 over there in the realization account credit side. Likewise by bank account sundry assets 1,50,000, that should be given, because here you have to show the realized value, and here you are showing the value of the asset, and he says this is a realized value on the credit side. So no need to calculate the profit and loss over there. The profit and loss will be calculated automatically in the realization account. Now the next thing is, liability on account of outstanding salary are not recorded in the books, but that is amounted to 15,000. So this is unrecorded liability, and that has been arisen, and that is to be met out. So you have to show this liability, payment of this liability in the realization account debit side. Likewise you are showing the payment of BP, and then with the BP you can show the outstanding salary of 15,000 over there. Now the next thing is, Menon agreed to take over the responsibility of completing the dissolution work and to bear all expenses of realization at the agreed remuneration of the 2,000. So you can pass both the entries separately and all together as a combined entry also. The actual realization expenses were 1,500, which were paid by the firm on behalf of Menon. So in this case, in the case of Menon, you are having the journal entry, realization account debit 2,000 to Menon's capital account 2,000. Why? Because here 2,000 remuneration has been fixed for Menon capital. So remuneration is an expenses is to be shown on the realization account. Now the Menon has to be paid realization expenses, but that has to be but firm has paid on behalf of Menon. So Menon capital will be debited to bank account for 1,500, because this is the expenses which should actually be paid by the Menon, but that has been paid out of the bank account of firm. So that is why the entry will be like this. So you have to make the compound entry for all these two transactions. as it is always done in all the questions of resolution. So compound entry will be relation account debit 2000 to main and capital account 500 to bank account 1500. So this is the compound entry out of these two, because it is not done that once I will give you 2000 then you will give me 1500. So likewise there should be net effect. You have to show the net effect of the entry. So this is the net effect of the entry, that is the compound entry you have to pass, because that is in the trend. So for showing this particular journal entry as in the form of posting, so relation account will be debited with 2000, but there are two account which is to be credited, to main and capital account to bank account. So here you will show to main and capital account to bank account, and then 500 and 1500 will show in the bifurcation. Likewise, fine. This compound entry will be in the ledger posting of like this: to main and capital account 500 to bank account 1500 for settling the remuneration and then the relation expenses. Now as that has been said in the question, asset realized for 1,50,000, that you have to, that I have been shown over there. Then after balancing this debit or credit side, you will get the loss on realization account, that is Menon and Mehta, that is to be distributed among their profit sharing ratio, which is given in the question. So the loss is of 44,950, that is to be distributed among Mehta and Menon in 7:3. Now for partners capital account, you have to make particulars Mehta Menon, particulars Mehta Menon. Here you have to show the balance by balance BD that has been given in the balance sheet, 1,12,000, 48,000. All the partners are having the credit balance. Now profit and loss has been given over there, debit balance, that is to be distributed among partners capital account. This is the fictitious assets. Whatever fictitious assets given in the balance sheet, that is to be distributed as a loss among the partners capital account on the debit side. That will decrease the capital definitely, and the loss will be distributed among definitely the ratio 7:3. Now the loss of realization account will be distributed 31465, 13845, 13485, and this is the realization loss which is to be distributed among Mehta and Menon, again in the same ratio 7:3. Now look at this compound entry here. Menon capital account is credited with 500. So you have to show credit on the Menon capital account. In the Menon capital account credit side, realization account. So you have to show in the credit side, and what you will show in the relation in the particulars column, that will be realization account. So as a part of the compound entry, you have to show two realization account for 500. And then you have to make the balance from debit and credit. There you have to show the for the balancing figure of capital account to bank account 74935 and 32615, that is a bank account in the particular column. And then you have to make the cash account as cash in hand given in the question. So I am showing two cash account. So for the cash account, you have to show the balances as that is given in the particulars column, that is to balance BD 6,000, and then assets realized. There you can write also assets realized 1,50,000, and there now the capital now the payment for the partners capital account, that is to Mehta's capital account 74935, which you get the closing balance out over there. Menon capital account 32615, which you just got from the closing balance of partners capital account. Then there is a 1,500 payment which is again coming out of this compound entry. Bank account will be credited with 1,500, and you have to show the opposite of this credit side, that is debit realization account. And here you have to show credit side by realization by Menon's capital account 1,500 in the cash account. And there, as all transactions are given in the cash account, so I am just converting bank into cash, and here also to cash account, because there is no bank account balance is given, so we have to use cash account. Now for cash account by Menon's capital account, that will be 1,500, and then this is the payment which is to be given as a 46,950. For the liability BP creditors, here you can write down the payment for the liability BP creditors and outstanding salary. This is the payment. This is the amount for this is the reason for which the payment has been made, 46,950. So the total of cash account will be matched up, that is 1,56,000 debit side and 1,56,000 credit side. This is the question you have to do. Now 28th question. Following is the balance sheet of PQR sharing profit and losses, bank overdraft, creditors, Mrs. P. They all will be transferred to relation account. Which side? That will be shown on the credit side, and these are the asset will be shown on the debit side. Definitely you will show the debtors with 20,000, and this is the liability you have to show on the relation account credit side 1,200. stock, this is the asset given, you have to show asset as it is. Whatever given is over there, you have to show as it is. As in the previous question, I use the cash account because the cash account is given, so I can't use bank account over there. So there 3000 shares in A Limited, so you have to write in the same way 3000 shares in A Limited. Motor car, plant, and this is fictitious asset which is to be distributed among all the partners, PQR, in the ratio 3:2:1. So first you have to transfer the balance to realization account. So here the transfer of balance to realization account to debtors, stock 3000 shares in A Limited, motor car, plant, and here the liabilities by bank overdraft, by creditors, by Mrs. P's loan. If the partner's loan given in the question, it should not be transferred to realization account, but it is Mrs. P's loan, so it is taken as the third party. As she is the wife of P, even then you have to consider as a third party. You cannot consider as a partner's loan. So Mrs. P's loan will be shown on the credit side. So there I just transferred the assets and liabilities in the realization account in the respective side. Now journal entry has been asked in the question. So journal entries: realization account debit to debtors, to stock, to 3000 shares in A Limited, to motor car, to plant. So all these will be, the journal entry will be in this way. So totally you have to write down in 2,45,000 relation account, and all the assets will be credited in this way, and then you have to write assets transfer to the realization account. And then the liabilities: bank provision for doubtful debts debit, bank overdraft account debit, creditors account debit, Mrs. P's loan account debit to realization account, and amount will be transferred to realization account for the liabilities. And this is the total 1,09,000, and that is the liability. So one liability is over there, that is provision for doubtful debts 1200, that is also be shown in the realization account credit side. Now the firm was dissolved on that date, and the following arrangement were made. First of all, asset realized as follows: debtor 15,000 and plant at 30% discount. So debtor has been realized for 15,000 and plant at 30% discount. So you have to show debtors on the credit side by bank account. Likewise, as nothing has been given, so I'm using bank account. I can use bank account over there. So debtors 15,000 and plant, that will be 30% discount, so plant will be 56,000. So I have calculated 30% of plant and deduct from the value of plant and get the plant at 56,000. Stock valued at 36,000, and this was taken over by P and Q equally. So this is the value of stock that has been taken by P and Q. If any is taken over by any partner, then that is to be shown in the realization account, definitely with the by P's capital account and by Q's capital account, and that is to be 18,000 with P and Q. And you have to show in this way that by P's capital account 18,000, by Q's capital account 18,000 in the realization account credit side. And then this is the value of debtor, and that is 15,000, and plant 56,000. That has been realized till now. Now the next thing is the market value of the share of A Limited is 16 rupees per share. So this is the share, 3,000 share, and market value is 16 rupees per share. Half of the share were sold in the market. Okay, fine. You get the bank account, half of the share of the amount. Half of the share is 1500 into 16. That will be 24,000, but you will get in the from the market. And then the balance half were taken over by P and Q in their profit sharing ratio. And the balance half, that is the balance of 24,000, that has been taken over by the P and Q in their profit sharing ratio. P and Q is given over there, and profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Here it has been said that they are they are distributing stock value of stock equally. So that is why I have taken equally. But here there it is said that equal profit. There is the market value of share has been taken over by the P and Q in their profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2 for PQ, and R is not there, so that is why I'm skipping R over there. So ratio is 3:2, and that will be distributed, 24,000 will be distributed among P and R, between P and Q in the 3:2. Likewise, by P's capital account, by Q's capital account, 14,400 and 9,600. So that is to be distributed the value of remaining shares, and the value of share that has been given in the question, 16 rupees. Now the creditor of rupees 15,000 took over motor car in full settlement. So the liability has been set off with the asset, so no entry for this in the realization account. And the balance of the creditors, so the 50,000 creditors has been settled out with the motor car, but the balance of the creditors, what is the balance of creditors, that is given in the 70,000. So 70 minus 50, that is 20,000 balance creditors were paid at a discount of 2%. So 20,000 creditors has been paid at a discount of 2%, that you have to show in the realization account. As to bank account, So the payment of creditors will be there after deducting 2% discount expense. And then again there is a liability, bank overdraft. Nothing has been given for the payment of bank overdraft. So that is why we will make the payment of bank overdraft. If nothing has been given for the liability, then even then you have to make the payment of liability, fine, in the relation account debit side. So here the payment of the creditors and BP, that will be 31,600. Creditors remaining 20,000 creditors at 2% discount, and then the BP, that is 12,000. As per the calculation, this is the amount of creditors less discount, and this is the payment which is done for the creditors, and this is for BP, and total amount is 31,600, which we have to show here to bank account, creditors and BP, 31,600. Now expenses of realization amounted to rupees 6,000. P agreed to discharge his wife's loan. So expenses of realization 6,000 is given over there, that is to be paid relation account debit side to bank account as a relation expenses. It is there to bank account, relation expenses 6,000. If any partner is taking any liability, then although she is the wife of P, but even then it is the liability of the business of the firm. So entry will be if any partner taken up the liability, then it is to be shown on the relation account debit side as to P's capital account for Mrs. P's loan 25,800. That you have to show in the relation account debit side. Now after deducting the total of debit side and the credit side, you will get the loss on realization, that is 44,400. That is to be distributed among PQR in the ratio 3:2:1. Now regarding the journal entries for the assets realized, you have to write bank account debit to relation account. 95,000 is the amount realized for debtors, plant and shares in A Limited, that has been realized. Now Mrs. P's loan has been taken up by P, so entry will be over there, relation account debit to P's capital account. So 25,800 is the entry for P's loan. Once you have transferred the P's loan to relation account, then you have to write down relation account over there, fine. Now P's capital account, Q's capital account to realization account, that is the share distributed among P and Q, that is in the ratio shares has been the half of the share has been distributed among P and Q in the ratio 3:2. That has been distributed over there, P's capital account, Q's capital account to relation account. Now P and Q taken up the stock equally, so P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to relation account, and that is the 18,000, 18,000 and 36,000. When asset has been taken over by any partner, then the partner's capital account will be debited and relation account will be credited for that. If liability is taken over by the partner, then relation account will be debited and partner's capital account will be credited for that. Now relation expenses, for the payment of relation expenses, relation account debit to bank account, that is the payment 6,000, and then relation account debit to bank account, that is the payment of balance of creditors that is left after 2% discount, and bank overdraft, that is 31,600. Entry will be relation account debit to bank account. Now for distributing the loss among all the partners, the journal entry will be P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit. Now the loss on realization account, the loss on realization will be distributed among the partner, P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit, R's capital account debit to realization account in this way. So that is to be distributed among all the partner. In some of the question that has been said, no need to make the ledger account, you have to just pass the journal entry. In this way, you have to make the calculation in your rough working notes. Definitely, you have to calculate profit or loss on the realization. You have to calculate the balance of partner's capital account, then just to know how much payment has to be given or taken from the partner. From the partner's capital account. So if here you have to make the ledger account, but otherwise if that has not been said in the question, then no need to make the ledger, just do all the calculation in the rough notes. Now for making the partner's capital account, first you have to transfer the balance by balance BD 1,20,000, 95,000 and then 50,000. Then here that is 5,000 for R. Then here realization account loss, that is to be transferred over there 22,200. 14800, 7400. Now profit and loss fictitious assets has been transferred over there, that is to be distributed PQR in their profit sharing ratio 42,000, 28,000, 14,000. Then realization account for this is the relation account for sharing the shares in A Limited, and that is the for sharing the stock. So two relation account, so you have to show the amount in P and Q in this way. This is the entry, this is the posting you have done in the relation account for this is the entry for sharing equally stock, and this is the posting for P and Q sharing the shares in A Limited, half of the shares in A Limited in their profit sharing ratio. That will show on the debit side of partner's capital account, that is decreasing the balance of partner's capital account. If partner has taken the asset, then definitely their capital account will be decreased, and now firm has to give less cash to less bank balance to these partners. Now there is an entry that P capital account, P has taken the P's loan account, so buy realization account 25,800 for P's loan, for taking up the P's loan. That is his wife, sorry, Mrs. P's loan. So this is the liability that has been taken, so that is why partner's capital account will be increased. If asset will be taken, then partner's capital account will be decreased. Now you have to balance PQR. So here buy realization account for Mrs. P's loan, as Mrs. P's loan has been taken by the P, so that is why the credit balance of the partner will be increased. So liability has been taken, so credit balance of partner will be increased. If asset has been taken, then partner's capital account will be decreased. Now for calculating the balance of PQR, that is two bank account for PQ 49,200, 24,600. This is the balancing figure definitely, because you are adding up all the credit side and then deducting the debit side. But here you can see that our debit side is more than the credit side. That is why by bank account with 16,400 for R. Now with the preparation of bank account, that is by balance, no balance is given in the question. So that is why we are just transferring the amount realized to realization, assets realized 95,000, by realization liabilities 31,600, expenses by realization expenses 6,000. Now PQR, all the partners capital account will be settled over with the bank account. P and Q, they both have been paid, and this is the amount which has been received from the R to the firm. So to R's capital account 16,400, and by P's capital account 49,200, and by Q's capital account 24,600, and the balance will be that is 1,11,400, 1,11,400 on both the sides. So you have to show this is the amount paid to P and Q, and this is the amount received from R. Now for passing the journal entry, what you have to do, the payment has been made for PQ, so P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to bank account in this way. Now the payment has been received from R, so bank account debit to R's capital account with 16,400, 16,400. Narration is must, you have to mention the narration, otherwise half mark will be cut for overall. So this is a question.